Hi lovelies, this is Erica with Theebeautybuff and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy a channel full of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this could be the channel for you. If you would, subscribe below, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos, and then also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know down in the comments. On this channel, we like to just relax and let loose and just get away from the everyday grind. So if you will with me, taking a good deep breath, exhale, and let's get to this video. So here's my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this crochet shirt from New York & Co. and I just have a white like little tank under it, and then I have these little flowy shorts. Pretty sure they're from Pretty Little Things, and then they just gather at the waist and they tie. And then I have on my Steve Madden flats. So that's the outfit. And then I just have on some hoop earrings. I have my Esquire watch on, and then just some cuff bracelets. So today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I just made a luxury purchase from Fashionphile. I'm pretty sure you all know what Fashionphile is. It's just an online purchasing site. It's like a resale site where you can go and they have tons of various luxury fashions or luxury items that you can purchase. If you're interested, just go on there and take a look at the different things. But today I'm going to be sharing an unboxing of something that I recently purchased. So I haven't opened it yet. I was waiting to unbox here on YouTube first, so you all will be the first to see it along with me. And this is just how it came from Fashionphile. They just give you like a card and everything and your receipt and all that's in there. And then I'm just gonna open it here. It came with this dust bag. And as you can see, it says Dior on there. And this is what I purchased. It just has the authenticity cards in there. Came inside. Alright, so this is what I purchased. It's the mini baby Dior, and it's in fuchsia. It's lambskin, and it's in really good condition. It has the feet on the bottom. It has silver hardware. It has the Dior here. And then it just has some little weaving around the top. And then on the inside, it came with the strap. And then it just looks like this on the inside. Doesn't really have any scratches or anything on there. It looks really good. And so if you don't want to wear this strap, it comes off. So this is it close up. And it's cute. I like it. That's with the strap on. So this is my first Dior. I had a saddlebag years and years and years ago that I ended up, I think I gave it away actually. So this is my first Dior in years. So I'm really excited. And I love pink. It's my favorite color. Alright lovely, so I just came to show you a brief unboxing of the items that I recently purchased. Comment down below and let me know if you have any Dior items. Do you have a baby Dior or any saddlebags? Let me know. And if so, do you enjoy it? Is it one of your favorite purchases or do you not really like it? Let me know down below in the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And as always, thank you for sharing a part of your day with me, and I hope to see you in my next video. Supposed to be looking at you. Hi lovelies, this is Erica with Theebeautybuff, and welcome back to my channel. If you a channel, who's that?